Hey my lovelies, let's open this cute little box from Queen Musia together. I can't wait to see what's inside. Oh no, it's a lot of noise, but I have here 3 products. So first one is mascara 2053, Simply Black, vegan plankton extract from Italy to stimulate lash growth, 95% natural raw ingredients, castor oil derived brush, universal mascara from a red carpet to landing on Mars. And here I have 2 lipsticks, matte cream lipstick in shade Dorian and another one is in shade Molly Bloom. They are clean, cruelty-free and vegan. This mascara is supposed to give length and volume to the lashes, so let's see how it works. This is so black, which is good. And as this mascara is a new one, it has a lot of product on the brush. This is how the first coat looks. Let's apply on the other eye as well. Actually, I always like how the mascara looks on this eye than this one, because my lashes are more beautiful on this eye. I got so dirty here. So this is how the first coat looks. You see, this eye is more beautiful than this one. I have to wait until the mascara dries to see if I can clean it quickly or not. But let's apply another coat. The brand says you're supposed to apply 1-2 coats for a natural look and 3 coats for a more dramatic look. And as you see, it definitely gives length to the lashes. They look so long as I apply much. But I can say that I like the wand. You can apply the mascara so easily. It's not too wet, it's not too dry, which I like. A little bit on the lower lashes. As I see, it cleans quite easily after it dries. Yes, which is good. You know that I don't like very long-lasting mascaras, that when it dries, especially when you get dirty here, you can't clean it. I can say that I don't really feel the mascara on the lashes. As you saw, I've applied a lot and it feels so lightweight and comfortable. And this is how the mascara looks, guys. As you see, my lashes are so long. I can say I like it. Of course, I'll try it more and I'll let you know. And I'm obsessed with the design of these lipsticks, guys. They are so cute. Let's try them on my lips. First one is Dorian. This is how it looks on my hand and on my lips. They are so buttery. So creamy. I think this shade Dorian can be an universal color. It's like a peach pink. It's so beautiful. It's so fresh. And I think it's an universal color for cheeks as well. Let's try it on the cheeks. Like a blush. Yes, it looks so beautiful. Looks so fresh. What do you want, Winty? It's so easy to blend as a blush. Yes, perfect. And the Molly Bloom looks like this. This is more like a nude peach, I think. This is how it looks on my hand and on my lips. Yes, it definitely looks more orangey. And I think Molly Bloom goes perfect with my today's makeup. As you see, I have a more bronzy look and I think it's perfect when you wear these kind of shades, like more bronzy, peachy shades. And this was the unboxing, guys. I hope you liked it. Have a lovely day. Bye!